Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about and, on, and at, saying when things happen. It can help you to say things like when do you start school, or when it's your birthday, or even when do you practice your favorite sport. How to use these prepositions to say when things happen. The first preposition we are studying is and. It is used for decades or centuries. Example, in the 90s, in the 19th century. It is also used with a period of the future to tell what will happen after that period of time. For example, in a few weeks, I'm having an important test. And in a couple of months, I'm having my summer vacation. And can also be used with months, years, seasons, and periods of time, like in February, in 1999, in the summer, in the morning, and in a minute. Now, we are studying how to use on. Well, it can be used for specific days and holidays, like on Tuesday, on Christmas Day, on the first day of Carnival, and on February 6th. Which by the way is my birthday. And finally, we're studying the preposition at. We use at with exact times in certain expressions, like at 7 a.m., at sunset, at lunchtime, and at night. Okay, it is time to practice them in sentences. Let's go. Okay, let's answer the first one. I get home from school is an exact time. Take a look at the options. What is the possible answer? Well, if you picked at 3:30 p.m., you were correct. I get home from school at 3:30 p.m. That's it. Alright, let's go to the second one. I do my homework and the period of the day. Which one do you think it is? If you think the correct answer is in the afternoon, you are completely correct. I do my homework in the afternoon. That's the right answer. Sentence number 3. I practice table tennis with my friends. And it has to be a day of the week. And the right answer has to be on Tuesday. It makes the last answer the easiest one. I like to swim. And the answer has to be a month or a season. I like to swim in the summer. That is the correct answer. Good job. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and goodbye.